Dave here with Half Dozen Customs. Last night we were out here, and we got a few of our body mount pieces and quarter pieces and wheel well pieces welded in and tech screwed together. I still have to go through and I have to drill some spot welds and weld some stuff up, and I had to make a couple cuts in the wheel wells to get everything to fit, which, you know, I kind of expected. So that's where we're at now. I'm gonna pull these two body mounts out. We're gonna jack up the back of the car a little bit, and then we're gonna see if we can get that new body mount in on the back. So thank you for joining us. So I'm gonna try to just jack up on the back here and see what happens. I know I talked in previous videos about using an engine hoist to jack up on the back here, and then use the jack underneath. Okay, I got it up about a ½ inch in the back here. Come on now.
Oh, bitch, get out the way.
Move over a little bit. And I also have to make a hole in here for the body mounts to go through. But I couldn't even get this piece in before. I was kind of able to get it in there. Kind of had to fish it up in there. Oh, and I'm on top of the floor here.
How to survive when your head is stuck in an elephant's ass. If your head gets stuck in an elephant's ass, don't panic. Stay calm. Remove one shoe and take off your sock. Make a mouse puppet with your sock and show it to the elephant while you imitate the noise of an angry mouse. All pachyderms are afraid of mice. This sudden fear will make him squeeze his anus. This will result in the expulsion of your head from the elephant's ass. Be careful not to overscare the elephant. Otherwise, you won't achieve proper results.
Oh, I don't know why I went through the quarter window. Okay. Okay, so I was able to get it in there, but due to that bend down in the floor that I was saying comes straight across and then bends down as it gets to the quarter. So I can't get it past that bend. So I measured to about where that bend starts. Starts at about 2 3/4 of an inch from the quarter panel. I'm gonna go at 3. It's just on the other side of the body mount, but just before where that bend starts. Give me a little leeway, hopefully. Remember like that.
If you don't want it, give it back.
Okay. Hopefully that'll get me in where I need to be. Okay, so I got it in there. It was a little bit of a fight, but it's in there. I'm gonna put some Tech screws in now. I'll get it screwed in, but I'm gonna have to take it back out. I need to clean up underneath it, but I'll get it screwed in so that it's there, and I know. Eating rust.
Yummy!
Okay, got a couple screws in.
That's what she said.
Woo. Well, they have a tight fit down there.
That's what she said.
Okay, I'm gonna go underneath where the body bolt goes, and with the punch, hopefully. I'm gonna hold that and smack that at the same time. Nope, I need something longer. It should work. Giant spike. Okay, let's see if I can get it back out now. I was just kind of assessing the situation in there. So I might have to trim some of the floor back. Some of the floor that I had trimmed out already, but still was in decent shape. So once I get this in from inside the car, I'll bend a piece of metal to put over this cut that's in here. We'll tack weld it in or spot weld it in or something, and then I'll get some seam sealer on the underside of the car. I also have to build a little piece that comes from here that'll connect to like the inside of the rocker. It'll just be a small piece, so I wonder if maybe I should have thought about that before I drilled that hole. I probably should have. I should maybe cut this on an angle so that it fit in there a little better. And I might not have had to make something here at this end mistakes happen. I think I'm gonna have to make a little plug for that hole there. Is what it is.
Catchphrase.
But now that should connect to the rocker. Now that I cut that like that, hopefully, I guess we'll test fit again. I'll remark where that hole goes. Okay, so super close now, and I could probably, I'm gonna trim a little bit more off of this and get it to scoot a little bit closer. And then I think this hole that I drilled, if I just make it a little bit bigger, we'll be okay, because I can see right down the hole, even with trimming this and scooting it in. So it's super close. I don't think I'll have to weld that hole up. I think if I make it a little bit bigger, or maybe just oblong it a little, we'll be okay. Okay, so camera died on me. I had to plug it in, let it charge up for a little bit. So I ovaled out the hole a little bit here. So we're good to go there. I trimmed these edges, so we're good to go there. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rust proof the inside of this. And I'm gonna rust proof underneath the car. While the GoPro was off, I kind of grinded up and cleaned up the bottom side of the car, knocked off all the loose rust where I'm gonna rust proof it. So I want to get this stuff rust proofed, and then it's lunchtime. I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower because I am filthy from grinding underneath the car. And we'll let this dry, and I'll come back to it probably next weekend. Maybe we'll get to it sometime during the week. Maybe I'll spend an hour or two here or there, because you know I'm really close to finishing this body mount stuff, and I'd really like to be able to get back to the floor. If I spend a couple hours here or there on it throughout the week, you know, we could be back on the floor. But we do have another project in house that I'm working on, and that one gets all of my time, and I spend a little bit of time on this one still, just to keep it going and keep the videos rolling. But you know, we're real close to this, so I'm gonna undercoat the underside of the car, not undercoat, but rust proof. I think that's it. I got everything rust proofed. I'm done getting dripped on and rust in my eyes and stuff like that, so I am going to go take a shower and eat lunch. Thanks for joining us. Hope you enjoyed the video. So it's been fun, too much fun. Remember, like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. Helps out with our algorithms. Greatly appreciate it. Have a good day. Oh.